the second session, content creation applications to empower distance learning with Buncee. Let's share my screen and we will start together with the presentation Buncee. Please. Okay, so Buncee is one of the content creation applications to empower distance learning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Rustom, Microsoft Certified Trainer, Microsoft Certified Educator, and Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert. Welcome and welcome to all suggestions and feedbacks and recommendations at the end of the session. Moving to the table of content, the topics we're going to cover today, we're going to have an overview as an introduction about the importance of distance learning and applications to empower the distance learning. Then we're going to move to what is Buncee. We're going to see how to create an account, sign up. I will share some examples, some activities about Buncee, really inspiring activities. Then we're going to see how to create Buncee from scratch and how to share Buncee. We're going to see also Buncee within Microsoft Teams. And we will share resources and conclusion. And let's start with a big question. I'm back to this big question: how can you empower remote learning through content creation tools? As I said last time, it was really a chaos and challenging over the few months due to the pandemic crisis. And all educators, students, families, they were really facing this pandemic, and they were trying their best to move to distance learning, and they were trying to use different types of applications, different types of tools. Why they were doing their best to integrate different application tools? Actually, they want to improve students' engagement. They were trying their best to improve the skills of students through these content creation tools and applications. Today, Buncee also is one of these content creation tools, a very nice platform, a friendly platform to improve the skills of students across the 5 C's, as I said: collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, communication. What are our learning objectives for today? At the end of this session, you're going to be able to explore, we were going to explore Buncee platforms. You're going to learn about the main sections and panels in Buncee. We're going to see how to create virtual lessons, resources, assignments in general, how to edit pages and backgrounds, how to add multimedia, different items such as animations, Buncee stickers, videos, how to share Buncee via emails or code or Microsoft Teams, and how to manage Buncee privacy settings. So what is Buncee? Buncee, we will watch together this short video to learn more about Buncee. Let's start together. So Buncee is one tool, endless possibilities. Actually, Buncee is an award-winning content creation and communication tool that empowers educators, administrators, and all types of learners to achieve their remote learning goals. It helps students, teachers, and administrators to easily author, publish, and share visually engaging and interactive content. How educators are using Buncee in classroom? Actually, here are some of the ways educators they are creating virtual lessons and assignments. They are easily sharing these class lessons and learning resources. They have students virtually respond and reflect on course activities. They keep the discussion going in a safe environment. They share updates and agendas and check in with families. So there are many uses, and this it depends on the educator or the teacher. What are the benefits of Buncee? Buncee actually you can create quickly fun and interactive accessible content, and especially we have immersive reader which will give the accessibility to all kids whatever they have any difficulties. Also easily share creations to students. Just you can share it in different ways by email or code, etc. Also, they are creating safe spaces for discussion and engagement in Buncee. They can keep families informed, they can manage content accessed by students, also oversee your classrooms no matter where they are. So many benefits of Buncee. You can get the maximum of Buncee and how to use it as long as it is really a safe and fun and interactive learning space for all students who can use Buncee, all grade levels and all needs, whether it is in physical or virtual environment. So now, after this introduction, just take a minute and think how you can use Buncee in your classrooms with your students. Moving to section 2, let us see how can we create an account for Buncee. I will just show you here, just typing Buncee. Okay, just typing bouncy.com. Okay, just bouncy.com here. You're going to just be and select the Buncee and start with Buncee. As long as you don't have an account, you can sign up with your mail or continue with Google. You can continue with Microsoft. You can continue with Apple. Now, as long as I have my account, I will start just log in using my username and my password. So here to my account. As you can see here, just I'm logged in. Let's move here so that you can have a chance to see the dashboard also. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very simple as long as we have only about 3 buttons and they are very nice and very simply and friendly user. Buncees, I can see all the buncees that I have. I can, as you can see here, I have math practical booklet, I have weather journal, I have 2 folders, and I can arrange them as well. If we go to boards, I have shared on my board only one board. It is a weather journal board. I have added one template, and so that all students will refer to this template and they can create their own and then can share it. So all the students sharing this board, they can just see all these projects for their friends, and they can comment as well. It will be a very nice board as a collaboration and as communication board. Back to the boards, we have classes. Also, teachers, they can create a bouncy classroom. Okay, they are a science, math teachers, and they can add the accounts of their students. What about Ideas Lab? This is very, very nice. Let's check the Ideas Labs from here. As I will just go back to Ideas Labs. As you can see here, we have many activities from the library, which is in Buncee. These library for activities to help innovative learning for your school. As you can see, we have many activities for different topics, for different grade levels. If I want to just search for a topic, I can, for example, area as a lesson math. For math area, I want to check any activity related to area. We have 2 activities. Really, this is very nice activity. Find the area and the parameter. This is one of the Buncee's activities for math. It's very simple, as you can see here, to find the area and parameter for any polygon, and giving the chance in these boxes for the students to add animation, to add stickers, to add audio, to add video, to explain how they got the answers. As you can see, we have a square. I can share this Buncee. For example, they have rhombus here, or we have rectangle, or whatever. What about if I want to just check here? As you can see here, I have a list of topics: art, we have English, we have events, so we have math. We have too many topics I can select, depends on the subject that I'm teaching. For example, if I want to select something related to science, I can. I will just remove this one. Science, I can have things related to science. Too many activities, as you can see here, related to science. I can show you one of the activities. This is also a nice activity for the science teachers. Anatomy flashcards, where you can see the image from all angles. Hopefully, I will reload the page, as I will try it here one more time. Let me check what's going on. Okay, I will go back to my browser. It seems if this one is not I'm trying to reload. I will close this one so we don't have too many activities. Just a minute. Okay, so this is really a very nice Buncee. Anatomy, flashcards, bones. As you can see here, just you can check the flashcards. See here how you have the cards with an autoplay, of course. I can just see here. Yeah, you can just drag and you can see the skull, for example, from different angles. Can you see it? Very nice activity. So here, these are a few examples about the Buncee. What about going back to the Buncee to start just creating our Buncee from scratch? So this is Buncee's now, and I will start from scratch. I will delete this one. Okay. So let's start with check what's going on. I will start with a new one. Just a minute, please. I will try to sign in again, it seems. Where is it? Here. I will sign in again, okay? And we start with Buncee again here. I will try to close all these pages, so it will be easy, and I will sign in again. I will log in again, hopefully, and then we will start with a new Buncee. Okay, fine. So just selecting this big plus, and then I can continue, and then I will start. What I'm going to do now, I will going to start from scratch, creating a weather journal. Okay, I will show you how we start. We have to refer here to the categories. As you can see, we have too many categories. Hours and recognition. Once you select, you're going to have new Buncee from scratch, and templates related, so you can start from any template. Back to school, greetings, we have holidays, we have English, we have arts, math. Hopefully you will have the chance to check them once we finish the session. Flyers, fun activities, greeting cards, newsletters. Administrators can use it, newsletters, posters, and others. Yet now here, I will start from scratch. Here we have the pages, okay? And here we're going to have the items that we will add to our Buncee. The other side. Pages, I will start from any page I want to have as a background. We can have from web, we can have color. Maybe I wanted just to have it a colorful background with no images. I can upload. I have a newly added, recently used. I can select from all these categories any background I want. I will just check from here. This is very nice, okay, as a cover page, for example, because I want to add the title for this on this cover page. Just waiting to add. Okay, what about now adding a title? Okay, I'm now creating my own journal, and the journal I have to write my observation for 1 week. So the text here will be the text. I will write here weather, okay, weather journal. I can write by and student A. Okay, Can I add any links to this as a resource, for my teacher, for example, and for my friends to check? Yes, of course, I can. So what I'm going to do just now, this is the word that I want to add a link to. I can just search for any nice website. Maybe I want forecast in Italy. Okay. And then here I can just select a right click, copy link address, and then back to Buncee. I want to add the link to the word weather only. So down here, as you can see, the toolbar, this is the link. I add the link, paste, and enter. I have just Google search and then copy it. I selected the word. I have added through the link, via the link that I want to this word. Now I want to just to change the color. Maybe I want to make it, change the color here. Okay, I want to make it nicer, whatever color I want to use. I want to change the font. What about it? Choosing a font, nice font, to make it large. So as long as this is a title, okay, so I want to make it big, bold. If you want, can just make it bold, italic, so I can just enhance the title. What about if I want to change, I want to delete? Yes, of course, I can delete. I can also add audio here from this toolbar. Very nice and very easy, just clicking on the audio sign, and then you can record whatever you want as a title, for the title. So just we're waiting to load the record button here so we can start recording. We can describe maybe what is our journal is about, or just any information for my friends and for my teacher. Just due to the website, to the internet, it seems it takes time to load. We will try it one more time, but this is the way how to add an audio to our title or to our pages. Just trying. Let me reload. Hopefully it will work. Idea. I will just select here the audio. Hopefully it will work this time. Yeah, fine. I think no, due to the net, just weak connection. Meanwhile, we're going to start with a title here, weather journal, okay, and I will write student A. It will be saved, all changes saved automatically. We will also start adding items so that it will be attractive. What about adding shapes? So I have added text. Now I want to add shapes. I will select few shapes, this shape, okay. Just click on it and I will add 3 shapes. See how nice? Okay, here I can, if I don't want any of these shapes, I just select the shape and delete. What about another item? Okay, I will use now the drawing. Easy and simple. Let me change the color and make it yellow so I can, for example, draw the sun. Okay, you can draw. And once you are done, just you have to select the tick so that you are back to the you can just select any other item. Okay, now we want to add another item. For example, we're going to try the Buncee 3D. Buncee 3Ds, they are very nice. Maybe you want to add this one here. What else we have? We have also a butterfly. This says here, they are very nice. Okay, and also we will try to add bouncy animations. Let's check what type of bouncy animations we can add. We can add, for example, something nice. This is an animation, and we can add it here. Okay, fine. So this is for the cover page. I think it's enough. We can start adding something else with the second pages. What about the second page? Now, let's move here to the second page. So just using the plus, pressing on the plus, I want to start with the background, but now I want to start with the background. For example, what type of backgrounds? I can have something as nature, for nature. Okay, and I will add this page. Now I'm trying to create a template, and then I will duplicate the pages since I want to write the observation for 1 week. So for me, it's better to have a template, and then I will duplicate. If I like this page, is fine. Now I can start adding what I want. What I want to add. Okay, fine. I can add shapes. For example, I can add a banner. It's a banner. I can just enlarge this banner, and I will use it as a title on daily basis. What I want to write, I can add here the text. If I want to write here, I will write the day. Okay, so this here we're going to have the day. I can also, as I said, I can change here the colors if I want. I want to make it red. I want to change the style. If I don't like the style, I want to make this one. I can make it bigger, and then I can just drag it so it will be inside the banner. Okay, this is number one. I want to write description on daily basis. What I have to do, I go to text, and I can just here. Sorry, I want to go to text here. If I have something I have added by mistake, I just click on and I delete. Simple and easy. So here I want to write the text, the description on daily basis. So I will write describe. So I am organizing my fonts. Describe here. Describe. Okay, describe. And I can just this box. I can fill the box. What about having it there? I can just enhance this box, whatever, and I can move it just a little bit down so that I can add whatever I want on daily basis. I want to have some bouncy animations? Yes, of course, I can add any bouncy animation if I find that this is suitable to the things that I'm going to add on my journal. Okay, so as you can see here, we have too many items I can use. I can select from recently used even. And maybe I want to start with this one. The first one, it will be here. I'm so excited. It's very nice. This Buncee. this item. I can add it. It will be in all templates if I want, in all pages if I want to duplicate. Okay, fine here now, and then we can start. How can I do the others? Simply, I have now created the main template. Now I want to duplicate my my page. Okay, so how I can duplicate the page from here? I think let's have it. Here is duplicating. This is the duplicated page. So page is duplicated. I have to duplicate to have it for 1 week. So starting now, it is duplicated as you can see here. And the final one, I can just have a new, just a new one, a new page, and I can just select the cover page to be the last page, and I can add, for example, any bouncy message. Maybe it will be keep my thank you, or well done. Any of these items I can add to my to the last page. Okay, enjoy your day, and you can just add it here, and you can add something like any emoji, as you can see here. Okay, well done. We can have something like that. Okay, and you can. What about the pages, the first pages that I have added? Now I will add, because I have observation, I will start with day 1, it's Monday. And now I will add the observations. What I'm observing, for example, I can start with web image. Web image, what I'm going to search for, sand, maybe, sand clip art. Because when any of the web images, as you can see here, we have sand. I can add this one here as an image. Just waiting to load the image. This is sand or whatever we have. So just we will add the image. Else I will try to select another image just to show you what do I. Okay, we are just waiting to load the image. It's not working. I will delete it and I will add a different image. Maybe it will work. I will just type here. We can add web image. As I said, I can upload from my folder any image that I want. Maybe I can add sandstorm. Okay, and I will upload the image. Hopefully it will be uploaded fast. Okay, great. So here, this image, it is uploaded just now. As you can see, I have added an image as a student to show my teacher and my peers, my friends, that today, Monday, we have a sandy storm. And then I can write here, of course, and I can describe it is a sandy storm. We are staying at home. Anything that you would like to add. Okay, fine. What about the other one? Today is Tuesday. I can add something related. For example, I can add a YouTube. As you can see here, we have an item here, and we have different types. We have Khan Academy and Khan Academy for kids. We have NASA. We have National Geographic Kids. Maybe we can just select this category and search for thunderstorm. Okay, hopefully we can have videos for some thunder storms, for example, and we can add simply to our Buncee. And then we can add also, and we write, for example, thunder here. Where is it? Let me check where it's we can move it a little bit. Here it is. And I will just write thunder storm, for example, and start typing here and giving an idea about thunderstorm. Similarly, we can have for the third day, and I can add Buncee animations. Okay, I can add the sun, for example. So I can tell my, sorry, I want to add the sun. What I take here, I have to add the sun. What's going on? Something else here. It seems I have added the sun twice. No, here it is, and I can add, for example, any emoji or things recently used. Let's check if we have something nice here. Okay, excited. See how nice. There are too many animations. Actually, you can explore them. Once you use these animations, you find them very nice and very attractive. And for all subjects, for all lessons, you can have these, as you can see here, you have these items. It works with everything and for all activities in your classroom. So here it is. So you can write here, it is a sunny day. Okay. Sunny day. Now we are done with our Buncee and it is saved automatically. We can undo, we can redo if we have any changes, and we can zoom. Also, we can have the pan, so we can change, okay, here and back. And here are the items, as many as possible. We can add pages as many as possible. Let's preview and see. It's fine. I will start sharing. So now we're going to preview and then we're going to share. Okay, so here autoplay full screen. I can have the timer 5 seconds and turn on the loop, and it will be as full screen. Okay, this is my Buncee now, and I'm just describing the weather. I have a sunny day, I have a thunder day, I have a stormy day, windy day, and so on. And this is my Buncee. Now I want to go back to Buncees and see how Buncee now is with the it is automatically added to other Buncees, all my Buncees. This is the one that I have just created with you. If I want to move it to any other, to the folders, I can do it. For example, I have the card here and it's empty, right? This is the empty card, all cards. But I don't want this card. I want to just rename it and have it for projects instead. So I can collect all my projects. I can collect all my projects here. Sorry, here. As you can see here, rename. I can type projects and I can have all my projects inside this folder. Now it's empty. I can add, sorry, now it's empty. I'm going to just add, for example, I want to add my here, this one, I can add it to and move it to the projects folder. I can move it to the projects folder. It's now here. As you can see, I have to just edit the name one more time. So Buncees, my Buncees are here, and back to the Buncees, the main one. And as I said that I can rename it, I can change the name of the folder. Fine, no, and I can save it. Now I have project folder. Okay, I can add new folders. As I said, from here, I can add any folder that I want. Maybe I have science, I can add just, and I can add the folder. I can sort, yes, I can sort them. Newest first, oldest first, and so on. Now, what I want to share my my Buncee. How I'm going to share my Buncee? Here it is. This is my Buncee, and I want to share it. Let us see together how we can share the Buncee. I can edit, as I said. Okay. I can have comments, likes, how many people the views. I can edit and I can share. How can I share? Pressing on this button, we have the settings. You can who can view anyone with the link, or specific users, or only me. So I can say maybe anyone, okay, for the time being. Commentable, yes, I want students and teachers to comment, anyone who can see, who can view and can comment. Copyable, yes, okay, I have no issues. What about code? Now here I can copy the link and I can send it by email, by message, whatever. Embed the code on any other website. Okay. I can share with Buncee users. I can just send the email here. For example, if I have another email, I can try it so that I can, and then you can share. You can add it and you can share. Share to boards. Okay, yeah, I can share it to boards. Board share code. Okay, this means that I can have the code here and then it will be shared with the board for the teachers, where I have already shared the main template. Let me check here. For example, this is mine, okay, and this is the link. Copy. And if I will try to check Buncee from another, from the edge. So I can check if so I can just try to share it on the board that I have already created, but using Edge. Let me check if we can do it just now. So if it works, I can show it to you from the other view. No, it's not working, it seems. We have an issue with Edge. Anyway, just let's go back. Just going to share it. If I want to share here, this is the Buncees. Back to the dashboard. Okay, I have just copied the link for my Buncee as a student A, and I want to add it and to share it on the board with the teacher's template. So I just copied the link just now, and let's see if it works. I was trying it from another browser. So this is the board. Okay, and here the board where all the students are sharing their own Buncees. It seems it will take a little time. Okay, this is the board. See here, okay, I can share. I can share here on the on this weather journals board. I can share the code or share. Okay, this is how I can share it with others. But now I want to share it here. I just click on the plus and I will share my own. I have just copy and paste. So this is student A. I just copy and shared the link, just the link that I told you that you can share wherever you want. And then I have added to the board, add this Buncee. Okay. Adding just now. So as a student now, I have added my Buncee with the teacher. Okay. So my friends also can see how I can edit here if I want to make any edits as well, or I can go back. You can have the activity as you can see here, the activities. As long as I'm adding the Buncees, I can have the settings, everyone, only the ones in the domain, only me. I can edit, I can add comments, allow comments on the board, allow comments on pinned Buncee, and I can give this as to copy. Okay. Maybe I want to have allow them to copy and just to follow my template as well. So easy and so nice, helping others, collaboration, communication. You can do too many things actually with Buncee. Back now to the main dashboard. I'll try to go back to the dashboard as you can see here. So we have created from scratch our Buncee. What about the notifications? As you can see here, whatever I'm doing or creating, I have here, for example, congratulations on making 10 bounces. You have unlocked the bouncy badge, guru badge. You can see all these badges whenever I'm creating and still going on creating and having sharing and collaborations with others. So this is actually for Buncee, and I will continue now to show how we can have Buncee in Microsoft Teams. Very easy and very simple. Just I have already prepared Buncee in Microsoft Teams. Just I will just show you how to add Buncee for the ones who are new or not using Microsoft Teams. We can add here from the applications. However, we have just, you can Buncee from here. You can just type the name to find the application. The other easy way, you can use the plus sign. Once you use the plus sign, you just type here also Buncee, and you just add Buncee. You can sign in using your school email or your private email, whatever your personal email, and then here you can add any URL from the bounces that you have created. Already I have here one example, and I will show another example as well. For example, I have this Buncee math practice. Okay, I will share the link in Microsoft Teams. As I said, very easy to share using this button. I will just code. I will just copy the link that I want to share with Microsoft Teams. I will share it with Microsoft Teams, and here one more time I will try Okay, it seems I have just pasted it twice. Yeah, I will repeat. I will just paste it once. Okay, great. Now here I have shared Buncee. This is math practice booklet in Microsoft Teams. It will take a little bit now just to show in Microsoft Teams. So far, I think we have. We're going to be back to the just to the presentation, just waiting so that you can see how the Bouncy is now in Microsoft Team. This is a practice here, as you can see, and we have the immersive reader. Okay, we can have the autoplay and we have this audio here. Okay, we have on all the pages. So now back to the main presentation. As you can see here, we have finished creating the account. Creating the account. We're going to just wrap up. Bouncy account. We have created an account and personalize it, adding your my image. You can do it adding your own images or any image, and this is a free account. Especially even the premium, due to the COVID-19, they are giving the chance to just assign and to create accounts using the premium package. Sharing examples, I have shared a few examples, and that's, for example, the certificates or flashcards. You can create too many nice and interactive certificates as well. Creating Buncee from a template or creating Buncee from scratch. We have discussed how we can add items. We have different types of items. We have the yellow items, we have the pink items, animation, stickers, we have the web image. You can upload it from your own folder. You can add YouTube and others as well. Sharing Buncee, as I said, you can share with a link, you can share to students, you can download offline, and you can share to boards. Buncee with Microsoft Teams, as I said, it's very simple and very easy, and you can add whatever you want to Microsoft Teams. Earn recognition with badges. As I said, whatever task you are doing, and this is a very nice thing that users are rewarded for their efforts with badges as they create Buncees and complete assignments, engage on Buncee boards, and more. What are the resources? You can just use the website. You can check Twitter at Buncee, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and you can join Buncee educator community. So Buncee is really a very nice, interactive, safe platform. Buncee for all educators, for all students, for administrators, and you can easily create, share engaging activities and giving the tools to creativity to demonstrate their learning and connect with the entire school through their virtual classroom. And this is the end. Hopefully it was a successful and fruitful session, and happy teaching.